Hello, this is my September 2022 budget for this month. So I'm originally should be starting off with $1,000 on the first of the month. That's when I get paid. And my planned expenses are $751 for everything, including from rent, food, transportation, etc. Income is $1,100 because I picked up extra shifts. Actual earnings are $1,250. Actual expenses were $955. So planned for food and dining out, including groceries, is $200. Actual spending was $353, so that was a negative $153. I didn't get any gifts, no health or medical. Home and rent, including utilities, was $315. Gas was $73. In personal, I planned like $30 for myself. Didn't spend any. Pets wasn't planned. Had $81 to spend. Cell phone 78. Planned 78. Gym membership was $55. Had $55. And I take $100 from my check every pay period, including for emergency funds or anything like that, which I should do more, but my paycheck was $1,000. Picked up extra shift, $1,150, and that's basically my monthly budget for this month. Each month is different, of course, but that's about mine for this month. Let's see.